So today we're going to make a pumpkin and it's going to look like it's on fire, like it has a lantern in it, and we're going to make it a movie clip. But there's certain things you have to do first. So today your first setup is to make a file. Go to File, Create New, name it Pumpkin, your first name, last name. This is going to be for your background, and you can just do a basic background like this. A dark sky, dark grass, put a moon and some stars or a tree or something. The background is not that important, but it needs to be called Pumpkin, your first name, last name. Then you're going to make a new layer and you're going to trace a pumpkin. I'm going to turn this all off. First, you're going to need to find a pumpkin. So you're going to need to go to the internet and search pumpkins. And I would look for one that is sideways. Okay, so look for one that's sideways. You can get one like this that's kind of has different lines, but just make sure it's a nice sideways one. Like this one's going to be cut off. I wouldn't do one that's cut off sideways, perfectly sideways. If you want to do a white pumpkin or one of these dark pumpkins or a warty pumpkin, I don't care, as long as it's sideways. Like this will not work. It has to be sideways. And then just do a pumpkin. You're going to right click on it and you're going to copy it. And you're going to go back to your animate and you're going to paste it in here, and it's going to be on its own layer. You can use this one to make it bigger or smaller. Okay. Make it a good size that it's easy to trace. It doesn't matter because we're going to cut and paste it later. So this is how I did mine. So I did the outline in black, and then I did the color inside of it. For the color, I'll show you a trick. For the color, let me turn this one off and turn this one back on. If you unlock a picture and you come over here to this eyedropper, you can steal the color from the picture. So maybe I want orange, orange, orange right here. I get the eyedropper. I go to the dark orange. If I want a lighter orange, I can do like a lighter orange. If I want the stem color, I can click the stem. So you can steal colors from pictures. It has to be unlocked though. And make sure you relock it. So the body I have right here, I did a black outline. It doesn't matter if it's a little bit wonky because pumpkins are a little bit wonky. So I did that one. Then I did a little bit of highlight. I went and grabbed the highlight color on, let me turn off. I grabbed like this color, and then I went up here and I just added some highlight on there, and I turned the transparency down so it was kind of see-through. And then I added some lines and some dots on it because pumpkins are kind of yucky and liney and dotty. And then I added the stem on it. Okay. That pumpkin will be called Pumpkin Trace. It's its own file, and you're going to save it. Do not draw the face on it yet. Okay. Then you have your background, this. So that's the first